In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a customer on Payhip. If you've had a buyer who repeatedly violates your store policies, triggers chargebacks, or behaves abusively, blocking them can protect your business. On Payhip, blocking prevents that customer's email address from being used to purchase from your store again. It won't delete their past orders or issue refunds, but it will stop future checkouts tied to that email. Start by signing in to your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar and select Customers. This page lists everyone who has bought from your shop, along with recent orders and basic details. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct store if you manage multiple storefronts, and check that the time range or filters aren't hiding the customer you're looking for. If your list is long, use the search field to quickly find someone by name or email. Confirm that you've got the right person by glancing at their order history so you're confident you're blocking the intended buyer. Next, locate that customer's row on the list. On the right side, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal dots. Click it to open the Actions menu. From the drop-down, choose Add to Blocked List. This option is specifically designed to stop the customer from purchasing again, using the email associated with their previous orders. Keep in mind that blocking is precise to the email address, so if the same person uses a different email, the system will treat that as a different buyer. A confirmation pop-up will appear explaining that Payhip will add the customer's email to your blocked list to prevent future purchases. Read the message to make sure this is what you want, and when you're ready, click Block Customer at the bottom right of the pop-up. That's it. The block is applied immediately. You won't see any change to existing orders, and the customer won't receive a notification from you through this action alone. If you maintain internal notes, this is a good time to record why you blocked them, which helps with future audits or support inquiries. A couple of closing reminders. Blocking doesn't refund past payments, cancel active fulfillments, or remove access already granted. Handle those tasks separately if needed. Also, review your store policies regularly so you're consistent and fair about when you block, especially in cases of suspected fraud or repeated policy violations. And that's how you block a customer on Payhip. Quick, clear, and effective for protecting your storefront moving forward.